This homemade shrimp fried rice recipe is so good, you'll never go back to takeout. Hey guys, it's Roxy Chowdown and welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. My peeps, before I go into how I spice up my homemade shrimp fried rice, I'd like to first big up all my subscribers here on YouTube. Guys, we're 50 subbies strong. Please remember to like and share this video to help my channel grow. So guys, let's get right into today's recipe. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to catch all my recipes as soon as they drop. Hey guys, you liking this video so far? Well, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Want to make this spicy shrimp fried rice today? Well, go ahead and check the description box below for the full recipe. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. So that's my recipe, guys. Shrimp fried rice, Roxy chowdown style. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Enough love and blessings.